Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to change Windows 11 language completely to your preferred language. Click Start, Settings, click Time and Language. Click Language and Region. Click Add a language. Add any language. Check Set as my Windows display language. Click Administrative Language Settings. Click Copy Settings. Check Windows Screen and System Accounts, check New User Accounts. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.